Hello viewers, welcome to Cooking For You. And today we are up with an interesting recipe, that is Rava Idli. This is homemade Rava Idli with a quick and easy recipe. You can make it at home now. So let's check into the video, the process and the recipe to make Rava Idli. Let's start with the recipe Rava Idli. Today for this recipe we need mash ki dal, which is also known as urad dal, soaked whole night, and we are going to grind it, making a soft paste of it. Add a bit water to it and give it a grind to make a soft paste. We are ready with the batter. And now we are taking a whole glass of rava, semolina. It is also known as semolina. We are taking 2 glasses of rava and adding water to it. For urad dal, you need to soak it overnight, guys. And now we are going to mix this rava into the batter of urad dal paste. We are just soaking it and removing all the water from the rava and put it back into the batter. Now mix it well, make sure no lumps are retained. And now let it sit for 8 hours, and after that make sure you do this process at night so you can have it in the morning. Add salt to it. And now put them into the idli container. Equally, all the 4 idli container, put it into them, and our rava idli recipe is ready. Damn, that was so easy to make rava idli. This is so healthy product and healthy food for children and for elders too. So go right now and make this at home and give it us a like, share and comments. Thank you.